Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to stop Park mobile app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you are looking to stop on using the Park mobile app or want to end a parking session, what you can do is head over to your Park mobile app, and then once you are here, what you need to do is you'll find the active session on your home screen, or you don't find it, what you need to do is simply tap on the parking and then select the active session. And then once you do that, select the option to end the session. You may be asked to confirm the action, and once you do that, your parking section will stop and you'll no longer be charged. Or if you want to stop the app or remove the app, what you need to do is head over back to your home screen, and then on the app, long press on it or long tap on it, and then you'll find the option that says remove app. Simply tap on remove app and then tap on delete app to successfully delete your app. So that's a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.